Introducing the two-way Taiwan air blowgun, model A18569Y3, and the FIRSTINFO Windstorm Flow Air Blowgun Kit, model A18569K. The Windstorm Flow delivers powerful air output for fast, efficient coverage across wide work areas. Maximum pressure, 150 psi. Air consumption, 1700 liters per minute. 1/4-inch NPT air inlet. A range of interchangeable nozzles gives you the control you need. From a short tube, air shield, and rubber tip, to a tilted soft nozzle, wide area spreader, and a precision needle for tight spots. Adapters for 1/8 and 1/4-inch connections make setup easy. Model Y3 comes with a 6-inch extension tube. Model K includes a 4.5-inch extension, an adjustable nozzle from 6.9 to 11.8 inches, and a 4.5-inch long nozzle for a total reach of up to 20.8 inches. Reach narrow spaces and clean with precision. Easily manage airflow with the control knob above the handle. The ergonomic, non-slip handle reduces fatigue, and the solid aluminum frame is built to last. Model Y3 includes the air gun. Model K adds every nozzle for full flexibility plus a low-profile tray to keep it all organized in your tool chest. Clean smarter, work sharper. With FIRSTINFO tools.